Aloha! It's me again, Hadley Andersen, over here at the Bishop Museum for our Friday Science Never Sleeps. Now, the Bishop Museum was abuzz lately because we had an unexpected guest last month. It was actually a hive of bees that was spotted on campus. Now, we held off for a while hoping that maybe this was just a temporary stop on their way to another location. But the longer we waited, the more we realized that we actually had a real live hive on our hands. So, I figured I was curious about bees here in Hawaii. I figured you guys might be curious a little bit too. So, not only do we have honeybees here in Hawaii, but we do have several native species of Hawaiian bees as well. Many of them are endemic, found nowhere else in the Hawaiian Islands. Now, the interesting thing is that when you think of bees, you usually think of our cute little fuzzy honeybees. Now, we do have these here in Hawaii. They were introduced back in the 1850s. But when we look at our native Hawaiian bees, they don't really look like the bees we're used to seeing. This is actually a picture of a yellow-faced bee. The males have a yellow face right below, it starts right below their antennae and extends all the way down their face, but they look mostly black after that. And the females themselves are all black. Now, the difference between a honeybee and that specific type of species of native Hawaiian bee is that our honeybees live in colonies, and this particular native Hawaiian bee lives solitary. So it lives on its own and it doesn't actually have a hive. But as you can see behind me, where our bees are on campus right now are actually in a very kind of inconvenient location. It's not really a location we want them to be in. They found a little crevice in between the outside stone wall of Hawaiian Hall and one of our janitor's closets, the plaster on the inside. So we've contacted a local beekeeper, and he's going to come and they're going to humanely remove the bees and move them to a new location out in Ewa Beach. So that's the buzz about campus. If you guys are buzzing with curiosity about what's happening at the Bishop Museum, feel free to visit our website, bishopmuseum.org. You can also visit the Hawaii Biological Survey to find out more about our endemic and native bee species. That's all for this Science Never Sleeps. I hope to see you next Friday. Aloha!